How to fix contact photo not showing full screen on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your settings. Here we go. Scroll down, head towards the option of General. Open the option Software Update. If any updates are available over here, just update your phone software to its latest version. Once you do that, head back. Now scroll all the way down, head towards the option of Contacts. Once you find it, open it. Click on the option of Accounts. Click on Fetch New Data. Toggle off with this option of Push. Now wait for a few seconds and toggle it on. Now check in for this option of Automatically. Once you do that, you can close this. Launch your phone app. Head towards the contact page. Now open the contact for which you want to set the photo. Click on Contact Photo and Poster. Select the option of Photos. Your gallery will open up. Now select any of the pictures that you want to set. Swipe right to select different filters. Likewise, you are able to adjust this picture. You can crop it or zoom it. Click on Done. With that, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix contact photo not showing full screen on iPhone. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.